Okay, let's talk about spiritual development. This one might be loaded, but I will tell you, I think spiritual development can happen for every single person, whether they practice a religion, they consider themselves spiritual, or even if you consider yourself an atheist, this can still be an important area of growth for you. And the way that I see people who don't consider themselves tapped into a God or any type of source like that, you can commune with nature and have that be a spiritual experience for you. Or really, you can find beautiful, simple experiences for you to calm and relax your brain. And that's what we're talking about in this neuro coaching program, is a way for you to calm yourself and to feel part of this world and this universe in a way that's meaningful to you. So I encourage you not to blow this off if it feels too, spiritual for you. I have my own practice and I love it. I get up every morning early and it's quiet time in the morning before my beautiful children wake up, where I can just be quiet, and I have books that I read that are spiritual in nature. And really, again, that can be a lot for a lot of different people. But every morning I put positive juju into my brain so that I feel like I'm on purpose each day. Another thing that I read the Course in Miracles. I consider myself a student of the Course in Miracles. And when I'm reading that book, it helps me also to delineate between what is ego driven behaviors and what is more of an in spirit behavior. And throughout the day, it reminds me that I don't have to react to things. I can respond, or I can even not respond. And it gives me the strength to be able to do that across my day. And that makes a world of difference in how my day unfolds. So I want you to think about what you consider to be important spiritual practices for you and how you're going to develop them, and if that's a big goal for you right now. Okay, consider spiritual and we'll keep moving forward.